Hello guys, so today we are going to design this gearbox casing in SolidWorks. So this is the isometric view of the casing, and this is the top view, front view, and this is a section view about this section line AA, and these two are detailed views about this area B and area C. So, and also this is the side view of this casing. So let's get started, and I'll guide you step by step to create this model in SolidWorks. So this is the part modeling environment, and we have to draw our gearbox casing in the top plane. So top plane, right click and sketch, and center rectangle from the origin. Draw one like this, and two circles each side like this. First we have to give some constraints to the circle. So both these circles from the origin are horizontal. So this one is horizontal. Okay, then line from this to this, similarly this side, and this circle. Here we go. So this is our base sketch. Then Smart Dimension 2. This one is 180. $75. There's 15 radius or 30 millimeters diameter. Similarly this one. This, and from the center of the circle to here is 115 millimeters, and from the centers of the circle, so this is 230 millimeters. So trim entities, and trim these two circular edges, then features, extruded pass space, and select this rectangle and extrude it to a depth of 70 millimeters and the green check mark. Then again, from the same sketch, select the sketch like this and extruded pass space. Select these two sketches and extrude them to a depth of 10. This, and the sketch on the top plane of base. So offset this to 5 millimeters, and that's okay. Features and extruded pass space, and this is 10 millimeters, so green check mark. Again, sketch on this face, and center rectangle from the origin. There's Smart Dimension to here. This is 160. and 70 like this, and features extruded cut to a depth of, let's make it blind, and 70 millimeters. All good. Now again the sketch on the top face and draw a line, zoom in from this corner till here, one more line like this, double click and select this 3-point arc, first point, second point, third point, and the smart dimension tool. So 15, enter, and enter, and the radius is also 15. So 15, enter, then go to features, extruded boss face, it's still 15 millimeters and on the opposite side. Okay. Again, we have to create one hole here, so hole wizard. So this is already selected and 8 millimeters in diameter, so go to position tab. Position is on this face, and so you can see the preview. So place the hole here, then smart dimensions. From the center to the top line, it's 12 millimeters, and from the center to this line on the side is 18. Then enter, then finalize this hole. Now mirror this, both the features, so hole is already selected, then select this extrude we made last, then mirror face, about front plane and the right plane, and green check mark. As you can see, these two features are created on all the corners. Now on this face, we have to create another feature. So with the help of midpoint line, like this, vertical to here, and an arc till here, horizontal line to here, and arc to here, and close the sketch first, and this inclined line, make it vertical, and let's go to smart dimension tool, and this is 150, so 150 and then enter. This here is 120, so 120 and then enter. This edge is 45 and the arc is 15 millimeters radius. Now escape the smart dimension tool and this, make them equal. Control this and this. Control and select these two. Make them equal. So, yeah. Now, origin point and this point, and make them vertical. So you can see the sketch is fully defined. Now, go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, then extrude it to a distance or depth of 3 millimeters. So 3 and then enter, then green check mark. Now we have to mirror it. So mirror face would be the front plane and the green check mark. Now to create two circular features on inner faces. So draw one circle, another circle like this. So smart dimensions, this circle from this is 45 and center from this top face is 37 millimeters. So okay, this circle is, the position of the circle is defined. So last is the diameter. So diameter is 50 millimeters. And so what we can do, make these two circles symmetric. So from line 2, draw one line till here and make it for construction or construction geometry. So this is construction line now. All good. So select the circle while pressing Ctrl, the center line and this circle, and make them symmetric. Then this, Features, Extruded Boss Base, and for 2 millimeters. Enter and mirror it. So mirror face would be front. So front plane is mirrored. So we have to draw another feature on this face. Right click and select sketch and circle. So draw one here, then smart dimensions. And this circle is 20 millimeters in diameter, so 20 and enter, and the position is, so from center to this edge it's 30 millimeters, so 30 and then enter, and from this edge it's 27 millimeters. Now go to Features and Extruded Cut. Now this is through all, and to mirror it, so mirror face would be, select from this right face or right plane. So now all good. Another sketch on this face. So circle, from the center point of this circle draw one construction circle. So for construction, and make it, so the construction circle is 34 millimeters in diameter. So 34, and circle again, zoom in and create one circle on this point. and the diameter of this circle is 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters. The circle, go to features, extruded cut. So this is through hole as well. Then check mark. Now we'll pattern it, circular pattern, this cut. So direction would be around this, and instances is 4, and the angle would be 360. So finalize it, then mirror these on the other side, circular pattern as well as the last cut extrude. So select this mirror face plane and the right plane. Good to go. So we got this on all 4 circles. So now we have to draw countable holes on these 2 faces. So go to hole wizard and select counter bore. So counter bore and size is M8. Then position is on this face. So this and this, and smart dimensions. So from the origin, make it 115. So 115 and enter. And distance between these two is 230. 230 and then enter. And one last thing to do is make them horizontal with the origin. So with the origin, make these 2 horizontal, which will fully define these holes, and green check mark. Now the last feature we have to do is a fillet. So select fillet, radius is 2 millimeters, and zoom in this edge and this edge, and green check mark. So this is our gearbox casing, and to apply material, so edit material, and from steel, look for alloy steel. So alloy steel is here. Select apply, then close. So alloy steel is applied now, and you can check the mass of this casing. So evaluate, then mass properties. So mass properties, now density is 0.01 grams per cubic millimeter, then mass is 3235.80 grams, then volume is this much, surface area, center mass, and other properties. So thanks for watching, and see you in other videos.